My name is Sanjay.
Hi, my name is Vidusha.
My name is Bhargavi CV.
My name is Aishi.
My name is Akash.
My name is Sai Krishna.
Hello, my name is Gaurav.
My name is Riya.
I came to EdubioSkills. I learned milk experiments and kidney experiment. In milk, we learned how to separate protein and calcium, fat. And the fat is like liquid and protein is semi-solid.
I had a very nice experience in many experiments. I like two experiments, which is the milk experiment and the kidney.
I like kidney experiment.
I like the milk experiment the most.
In kidney experiment, we learned how the kidney separates waste from blood.
I really enjoyed the workshop.
It was a great experience. I enjoyed the workshop.
I like this workshop.
I like the workshop.
Thank you.